Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create a food fight game in Scratch. So what's going to happen is this is a two-player game. So the first player will be using the arrow keys W and S, and the second player will be using up and down, and they'll be moving from up and down to that, and then you have to press a certain button to shoot a food. And you just have to try and get more points before time runs out. So let's begin that. First of all, we need to get our sprite, so go to choose a sprite, and just to you should go to, let's just use these dinosaurs. So let's just take this one, and for our second player we want to be using, let's just use this one. So these two dinosaurs, this is going to be player 1, which is going to be this side, and this is going to be player 2. Let's get rid of this cat now. And what we want to do, we just want to flip this dinosaur, and just delete all these. We don't need these at all. Do the same with the other dinosaur. And for this, just flip horizontal, and there we go. Now, the first thing we have to do is we have to make them both smaller, since they're too big. So go to events, when green flag clicked, looks, and set size. So this is 100%, so we want to make it, let's just try half of it. So if we try that, yeah, well, we can make it a bit bigger, 65. Yeah, and then just do the same thing to the other one by dragging it. So let's try that. Yeah, perfect. Now the next thing we want to do is we want to make the dinosaurs go, stay back there and in the center. So we want to make them both go this way. So you'd go to motion, and continuing on to this same code, go to the X, it's already placed where you want it to, and just do for the Y, put a 0 so it's the exact center. And the same thing for this one, 0. So if we try that, yeah, that's still going to be the starting point. So next thing we want to do is add a backdrop, a background. So go here, and honestly you can do whichever you want. For this one, I'm gonna be doing a, what should I do? Let's just do Jurassic, because they're dinosaurs. Yeah. Ooh. Actually, change that. I'm gonna be changing it. Let's make it turn it into let's just say they're doing an underwater battle. So they're right here, dinosaurs, they're swimming up and down. And now the next thing we want to do is when the W key is pressed, then the red dinosaur should move up and down when the S key is pressed. So simply go to events, when space key pressed, but just change space key to W. And you would just go to motion and do change Y by 10. So, and then just duplicate it, and then we changed this from W to S. So S is over here, and you just change this to a -10, so it will go down. So let's try that. Yeah, it works. If you want it to go a bit faster, you can make it 15 and -15. And yeah. So we do the same thing with the other dinosaur, but we just changed the keys to up arrow and down arrow. So this one, up arrow key, down arrow key. Yep. The next thing that we need to do is that we need to add the food that they'll be throwing. So I'm going to be showing you that in part 2 of this video, so make sure you check that out too. So please like and subscribe down below, and that's it for today.